It's the biggest problem I have potentially is blackgrass.
Project Lamport simply was conceived 5-6 years ago as we recognised that the answer to controlling blackgrass wasn't purely down to chemistry from a can or indeed some basic rotational controls. And so we looked at a concept which basically, as you'll see now in year 6, looks at the importance of spring cropping combined with cover, catch, trap cropping to basically combat blackgrass in a sustainable but different way.
The main discovery over the past 5 years has been that we've been astounded by the fact that we have rapidly transformed the untreated population in this field from over 2,000 heads per square metre to a crop behind me which is hardly less than 1 or 2 per square metre. And we've reduced the conventional chemistry, and we've done it by cultural means. So we're achieving a result which was beyond our dream on a development phase, as well as giving a very profitable return back for the grower.
That's how we take the principles that are here, and there are broad principles. Obviously, what works for this site might not exactly work for their site. That's why we spend so much time with our agronomists here, taking them through this so they can take it back to their growers and adapt it for their conditions, because every grower has different conditions.
The key benefits are seeing field scale trials in action in real life, which you can apply on your own farms. It's a long-term project. It's very much promoting the fact that controlling blackgrass isn't a one season situation and then it's gone. It very much has to be part of a business's farming strategy.
It was great to come here and see that the team here are actually practicing what they're preaching. And I could see that the introduction of cover crops managed correctly, which they're learning through their experiences here over the years, is really helping me to actually manage that cover crop in the way that I can alleviate some of the problems that they've actually encountered here in their early years with the project.
I'm really fascinated by the spring wheat and how that stacks up with an autumn sown cover crop, and the profitability of the spring wheat, also the plots of spring oats, and the way they're using direct drilling and minimal soil disturbance to keep the blackgrass out of sight and not bring up fresh seeds when they plant.
Having been to several sites, different sites around the country, I think if there's one site I sort of make sure I get the date in the diary, it's Project Lamport, because it's just so valuable as a learning experience for everything I'm looking to try and alleviate the problem. It's the biggest problem I have potentially is blackgrass, and the more I can learn about how to control it here, fantastic.